Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I have 2 chicken quarters that I'm going to cook in the crock pot, and it's really a simple way of cooking it. I'm going to use some Lawry's chicken rub, one of Tom's favorite stuff. You need a little olive oil, not much, but just a little bit, and you just need some aluminum foil, just regular old-fashioned aluminum foil. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to cut out this backbone on this chicken here, and they're really simple to cut out. You just take your quarters and you just find the part of the backbone right here, and you just go right up under that little flap and just keep cutting. Then you just pop it away from that, and you just cut right here, just across the backbone. I know you waste a little bit of chicken, but you do not waste a lot. There. And see, I've just cut out the backbone of that chicken. And let's do the other one like that too. And if you've never cut out the backbone of anything like this, you should try it just one time, because it's amazing how easy it is. I usually just let it pop just a bit, and you see the thigh bone, and I just cut around it and try to leave as much of the chicken as you can. And like I say, you do not waste very much chicken at all. I know my mother used to take the backbone like this and put it in some water and boil it, and that's how she got chicken stock. Very good. There's a little piece of backbone left, so I'm going to give that a cut. All nice and done. Then I'm just going to take, this is just olive oil, and we're just going to give it a little spray. And then I'm going to put some of this chicken rub on it. This is poultry rub. It just gives it a little bit of a flavor. And I'm going to put this, let's rub it in there just a little bit. I'm going to put this in the crock pot, wrap it up in aluminum foil, put it in the crock pot, and let it cook for 3 or 4 hours. I definitely have got to pull off these gloves to be able to get this paper out of here. There's one of them. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel. Holidays are coming on, so you better start thinking about what you're going to cook for different guests. So I've got the chicken ready. See how simple that was? I'm just going to lay it right there for 1 second. I'm going to take my crock pot, and of course I put mine on 2 pieces of tile. And when you cook in your crock pot, if you don't think the tile helps any at all, when you get through cooking, lift up your crock pot and feel underneath it, and just feel how hot it is up under there on your counter. And Tom was so protective of this counter after he fixed it. He redid all our cabinets after we moved up here. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to take a tablespoonful of water and just spread it around the bottom a little bit. And we're just going to lay our chicken in there. And that is all you have to do. And put the lid on it. I'm going to put it on high because I'm here at the house. And we're going to let it cook for 3 or 4 hours. And we'll check it and make sure it's done. And this is just going to be chicken in the crock pot. I might put some barbecue sauce on this. I'm not sure. But let's just wait and see how it is when it gets done. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. I'll be back. Might put some barbecue sauce on it. Or I may eat it just like it is. But we'll check back and see how it is. One thing about it, it is nothing to clean up. Just throw away your aluminum foil when you get through. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Hold on, we'll be back. Well, this chicken in this aluminum foil has been cooking now for 3 hours. So let's just see if it's done. It definitely is a little warm. It is definitely done. It is just falling off the bone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in a pan and put me a little barbecue sauce on it. Put it in the oven and broil it just for a moment. And we'll have us some barbecue chicken. I'll get it turned over right quick. Really looks good. And since it's only me here today, I'm just going to cook put the barbecue sauce on one piece. I really like this Heinz barbecue sauce Carolina vinegar. It is hard to find. Down here, really hard. And so I'm just going to put barbecue sauce on the top of this. I'll put barbecue sauce on it. So I'm going to set it in the oven and turn it on broil and let it get brown just a little bit. Okay, I have put it in the oven. I broiled it a little bit. And it really looks good. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to put it on a plate. If I can pick it up without it coming all to pieces. And I have cooked me some corn. A little salt and pepper. A little butter on your corn on the cob. You can't have corn on the cob without having some butter on it. I think I got an abundance of butter too. Okay. And this is a fantastic looking plate for dinner tonight. I have my chicken, corn on the cob, and some cranberry sauce. Now this was only 1/4 of this chicken. I've got the other quarter in the still in the crock pot. I'll take it out and let it cool, and tomorrow I'll either put barbecue sauce on it, cut it up and have some chicken salad, or who knows. But anyway, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. And this is such an easy video. And the nice thing about it is all you do is you take your aluminum foil, throw it in the trash, and you're done with cleanup. I wanted everyone to see just how done this is. I went to cut it and the bone came right on out. So it is definitely done completely. There is not even, you don't really need the knife to cut it with. Very good. Wish you was here to enjoy it with me. So come back and see me again. Hope you're having a good day. Bye.